If Anyama State is being actualized and zoned to the southeast, Ukwuani people's language will go into extinction. This is what so many Ukwuani people are saying. And because of this, you will see so many Ukwuani people coming online to tell you that Ukwuani people have nothing to do with the Igbos. Ukwuani people are not Igbo people. Ukwuani people are separate. They will start giving you different kind of reasons, trying to convince you for you to believe that Ukwuani people are not Igbo people. This is the problem of so many black people. Instead of them to start looking for solutions to solve minor problems and achieve greater things, they will start giving excuses. And those excuses will stop them from being successful, from being great. This is what we are experiencing in Ukwuani land. Instead of this set of Ukwuani people to start thinking, asking themselves this question: what are we going to do to protect Ukwuani language if we join Anyama State and be zoned to the southeast? How we go take protect Ukwuani dialects? How we go take protect Ukwuani cultures, tradition and identity? How we go take protect all these things? What we Ukwuani people will do is that if we actualize Anyama State and join the southeast, we are expected to make sure that Ukwuani dialect is being taught in schools. Ukwuani dialect will be taught in Ukwuani speaking communities. That is the only way to save Ukwuani dialect. Now that we are in Delta State, is Ukwuani dialect being taught in school? No. You see, so many of these our people will come, they talk like say one kind thing. Is Ukwuani dialect taught in schools? Then they teach you now Ukwuani dialect now where una dey for Delta State? No. So you are now using that as an excuse not to join Southeast. All these Ukwuani people be say they no one reason. Make una ask una self questions. Ask yourself, what are the benefits of Anyama State and what are we going to benefit if we join our Southeast brothers? That is what you are supposed to be asking yourself. If we actualize Anyama State, we will have our own senator, our own representative. The government will be closer to us. We will control our resources. We can produce governors. Everything that comes with a state, Ukwuani people will be benefiting from it. In Ukwuani land, we don't have federal university, we don't have state university, we don't have federal poly, we don't have state poly, we don't have college of education. All these things are not in Ukwuani land. In Ukwuani land, we don't have federal hospital. We don't have state hospital. Also, in Ukwuani land, we don't have lights. Person will not get sense, they lose greater opportunities. The reason why so many people don't go far in life is because they are using minor things as excuses not to get greater things. You are saying you are not Igbo. We are not Igbo people. Ukwuani is not Igbo. Senatorial worker is passing Igbo identity on us. Igbo unification movement, you stop calling us Igbo. Just imagine rubbish. All these things that will make us not get Anyama State. Infrastructures that are in Ika land, that are in Ukwuani land, all those things are not in Ukwuani land. Instead of you to reason, if we get this Anyama State, all these things go come our land though. You say no, say you won't remain for Delta State because you don't want get sense. If we join Southeast, our dialect will go into extinction. Now that you are in Delta State, are you learning Ukwuani language in school? No. So many Ukwuani people have been programmed from childhood to believe that they are not Igbo people. When you don't know yourself, you fight yourself. So any Ukwuani person where they fight Southeast, they fight himself. Before you fight Southeast, are you more successful than Southeast? No. At least Southeast, so many regions for they get university, they get poly, they get college of education, they get hospital, they get lights. You in Ukwuani land, do you have all those things? No. So what makes you feel that you are better than the Southeast? People will not get, they won't join people will get to get. You say no, they give you reasons. What you are supposed to be saying is, if we join Southeast, Ukwuani dialect will be taught in school. for us to protect our unique dialects. Fine, that is what you are supposed to be thinking. Akonuche, oh, make una dey listen to Akonuche by Duncan Mighty. Una no go hear. Una dey dance on my piano. Duncan Mighty sang Akonuche. Akonuche better than your wife, eh? Akonuche better than your silver and gold. Akonuche. Now who gets sense they get silver and gold? But instead of you to listen to Akonuche, you dey go play amapiano. They see that choo choo. They do eye like this. All those songs will not get meaning. They affect brain. When you play songs that have no meaning, songs that are meaningless, it affect your life. It could affect your way of life. Instead of playing songs like Akonuche by Duncan Mighty, playing songs like Osadebe songs, Oriental Brothers songs, Prince Matt Williams songs, when I no go plan, when I dey dance on my piano. And in Ndokwa Bamama, where our own brothers Matt Williams sing, that song alone supposed they motivate Ukwuani people to do everything possible to make sure that Ukwuani land succeed. Instead, now Ukwuani dialects now make you they talk say you know make Ukwuani join Southeast. Ego. If we actualize Anyoma State and Anyoma State is being zoned to the Southeast, we will be learning Ukwuani dialects. If you talk like that, Southeast not going to say, no, we will not do that. Too. They will not complain. They know that we all are Igbos. But learning our own dialect in school is also important. They don't go complain. You dey allow some Ukwuani people when don't know their left to right to come, they talk rubbish. We don't want Anyoma State. We don't want to join Southeast. If what is chasing you Ukwuani people away from the Southeast is insecurity, fine. That will be discussed in the round table. How to provide security for the Southeast. How to stop all these killings that are everywhere. Not be only Southeast insecurity day. Even in Anyoma land here, there is insecurity. Herdsmen are kidnapping people, killing people everywhere. If Anyoma State joins Southeast, we can come and discuss in the round table. For peace to be in a region, they discuss it in the round table. If there's insecurity in Ukwuani land, for peace to be in Ukwuani land, they discuss it in the round table. If there's insecurity in Ika land, they will discuss it in a round table for peace to be there. So not if you say, peace not the Southeast, we not want to join Southeast. Is there peace in Anyoma land? Is there peace in the entire country? There's insecurity everywhere. So for us to fight insecurity in Igbo land, if we Anyoma people join Southeast, for us to fight insecurity, we will sit down for round table, talk the way forward for our people. So stop allowing minor things will not get ahead, to make you not to achieve greater things in the future. And in Ndokwa Bamama, where our brother Matt Williams sing, that our brother see future. That's why he played that song. So that if you listen to that song, waiting go to come to your mind now. How are we going to make Ukwuani land successful? How are we going to make Ukwuani land grow? How are we going to put Ukwuani to the world? This is what we Ukwuani people are supposed to be thinking. When I did say about dialect, we go into extinction. Something where they teach for school. How you go into extinction? Even in Ukwuani land today, so many Ukwuani children don't know how to speak Ukwuani language. They are community, they don't sabi speak Ukwuani. Now that one's supposed to bother yourself. There's no way we Ukwuani people will lose our Ukwuani language. Go to other Southeast states. Different Igbo groups are there. Go on Nsukka. People from Anambra full Nsukka. People from Ngwa, Afikpo, other places there full Nsukka. They are still speaking Nsukka dialect there. Nsukka dialect not going to extinction. In Ika land, different Igbo groups are there. Ika dialect never go into extinction. In Ukwuani land, people from the Southeast, they are all in Ukwuani land. Ukwuani dialect did not go into extinction. So what you can make you feel say if we join Southeast, now it go into extinction? It's so good to have sense. Think about what you will benefit if you join the Southeast. This is why we Anyoma people are expected to support Senator Ned Nwoko. And make sure we actualize Anyoma State and zone it to Southeast. For us to coexist with our brothers. For us to have a voice in this country called Nigeria. For us to have political backing. Make we get crowd. Ukwuani person, they go this thing, the entire Bia speaking people, the entire Southeast go support am. It's so bad that we have Anyama State and remain in South. We have no business with South. South is just a political creation to divide the people. If South is not a political agenda to divide the people, Cross River states and Akwa Ibom states, they're supposed to be Southeast. Why you come say Southeast come the middle, then South come surround Southeast? That is supposed to tell you that this name called South is to divide the people. Even in South, there is no unity in South. In South, they don't like themselves. This one, they thought say we and these people not be brother. This one, they thought say we and these people not be brother. They are not Igbo people. These people not be Igbo people, but they don't see themselves as brothers. We Ukwuani people, we are Igbo people. Stop allowing propaganda, lies, to make you feel that we are not Igbo people. No, they allow it to not get here to stop you from achieving great things. We Ukwuani, we are Igbo people. We are not separate from the Southeast. Let's support Senator Nwoko and get Anyama State. We need federal hospital in Ukwuani. We need polytechnic in Ukwuani. We need federal and state universities in Ukwuani. We need all these things. We need light in Ukwuani. We need jobs in Ukwuani. Now all these things is supposed to they think. Some people say you don't love Ukwuani. They don't give you money to come they push Igbo agenda. Now me tell federal government to they see you people as Igbo people. Federal government sees you as Igbo. You speak Igbo language. They will tell you we don't speak Igbo, we speak Ukwuani. What is the meaning of Ukwuani? Ukwuani is an Igbo word. Go and Enugu State, people be Ukwuani as surname. Ukwuani is an Igbo word. Ukwuani people speak Igbo language. Our language is called Ukwuani because that is what our region is called. We are called Ukwuani because we sat down in a round table and choose that name, Ukwuani. There's no ancestor in Ukwuani land called Ukwuani. If you don't not be Ukwuani person, say I be Ogume person. Then we know how it feels for an Ukwuani person to say that he's not Ukwuani, that he's just from his community. If it doesn't not be Ogume person, say I just be Umuchime person. Someone from Ogume will become angry saying, are you trying to destroy the unity of Ogume? How you go to say not be Ogume person? Say you just be Umuchime person. So why are you Ukwuani person say that you are not an Igbo person? Even when you are staying in Igbo territory, you speak Igbo language, everything about Ukwuani is Igbo, you are saying Ukwuani is not Igbo. If another Ukwuani person starts saying not be Ukwuani, say he's just from his community, you will become angry. So stop saying that you are not Igbo. You not feel winner for debate. All those Ukwuani people they see, they come out like they talk. So many of those Ukwuani people are not Ukwuani people. They are from other tribes that are using Ukwuani names to cause disunity for the Igbo race. They don't want us to unite. There's one person like that on Facebook saying that he's from Ukwuani, that he's from Ogume. Ogume people are not Igbo people. Ukwuani is not Igbo. The guy locked his account. He locked his account. Make nobody see what he do for that account. He can't be saying now fake accounts. People are now creating fake accounts with Igbo names, saying that they are not Igbo people, saying that Ika is not Igbo, just to deceive our Ukwuani people, to deceive Anyama people. But they will fail. You will say Ogume is not Igbo. I will enter Ogume. They tell our elders see the Igbo person. Nothing will happen. I will enter Ukwuani and preach Igbo unity in Ukwuani land. Nothing will happen. 80% of Ukwuani people see themselves as Igbo people. Forget what you are seeing online. Meet these people face to face. They go tell you see the Igbo people. Enough of the propaganda. Ukwuani people are Igbos. We Ukwuani people, we want Anyama State the most. The major people that want Anyama State are Ukwuani people. And that is why we Ukwuani people, we will support Senator Nwoko with everything we have and make sure that we actualize Anyama State. We will do everything possible to make sure that Anyama State joins the Southeast. Anybody who don't want to make Anyama join Southeast, where they this Anyama, that person they deceive himself. Anyama State is a goal, and that is final. Ishewale.